This video tutorial will help you to develop your technology proficiencies using Infinity. It will show you how to utilize the related tasks within the Gradebook. To access Infinity, launch Internet Explorer and start Infinity. Type in your username and password and start your Gradebook. Select a class within your Gradebook to manage. If the class occurs during a different semester than the one you're currently in, remember to remove the check mark in front of the Only Show classes that are in session today. Once a class has been selected, the following screen appears, along with a list of all of your students in the class and their current grades. To move to a different class, select Class, and you see your schedule. Select the class that you want to move to. Hitting the Cancel button will return you to the previous screen. Select Grading Period if you want to move to a different quarter. When you open up your class, whatever period you defaulted to will automatically open. Hitting the Close button will return you to the previous screen. You can create a note about a particular student or a group of students within the Gradebook by selecting Note. Click Add to create the note. Enter the date, the note itself, and select the student or students you wish to have the note applied to. Return to the top and click Save. When you return to your Gradebook and view the Details button associated with any of these students, your notes will be visible to you at that time. These notes are not visible to anyone but you. And I'm going to hit Cancel because I don't want those notes to appear in a teacher's book. I'm going to hit Close to return to the previous screen. All other tasks related to your Gradebook are under the Related Tasks option. Clicking on it will bring up the task panel and show you all of the tasks that are available. From here, you can print the Gradebook showing all students and all events. When you start it, you will have the opportunity to print anonymously, printing by the student's ID, or leaving the anonymous button unchecked and seeing the grades by student name. You can print individual grade sheets for each student by printing for the student. You can query any missing grades, which will show you individual students, the assignments, and the grades that they're missing. Any students that you have hidden in your Gradebook, you can unhide by showing them with the Show Hidden Students. You can alter your grading scales or grading categories without going back to the Show All task panel. You can add a student by entering their last name. Some teachers have to share gradebooks and or classes within the district, and this task will allow you to select the teacher or the teachers in which you're going to share your gradebook with. The Query Percentages allows you to type in a specific percentage and then search for any students and assignments that they earned less than that particular percentage on. If you typed in a particular comment associated with a grading event, you can query that comment and find any students or events associated with it. And then the Move Student allows you to move a student from this gradebook to another gradebook, keeping in mind that if I wanted to select this student, I could move them to another period. That period would have to have the exact same grading events with all of the same points, etc. matched up. I would select them and finish it. I'm not going to follow through with that because I don't want to mess up a teacher's gradebook. It's very self-explanatory and user-friendly if you follow the prompts. If you have any questions, as always, call me at extension 5407.